Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and romance forecast for the year 2022 for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot friends. Like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also, friends, if you want to buy your own personal 2022 readings or any other readings which are super detailed, you can go to our website to book a reading and also join us. You can buy other readings also, any reading that you want, and also you must check out the 2022 work general horoscopes reading. They have already been done. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. This is also a timeless reading, so whenever you watch it, it is going to help you out. Let's see, Taurus, what is the theme of the year? Theme of the year for Taurus. Let's see. Theme of the year. Love theme for the year 2022 for Taurus. Theme of the year. What is the love theme for Taurus? All right. The Two of Wands and the Strength. Wow. This is a year you are coming into a very, very mature love. A very beautiful kind of maturity is coming towards you. A stability and security is coming towards you. And look at that. The strength. I do see your relationships are extremely strong this year. And if you are single, you are attracting a very, very strong and powerful connection. It could be a twin flame connection. Look at that, the infinity sign. You're very powerful in love. You're a powerful magnet of love, Taurus. You're attracting a lot of love, a lot of support from all around you. I also see relationships are very deep and meaningful for you this year. And what else? The Hierophant, yes. You are dealing with someone very, very powerful this year, Taurus. Oh my God. Oh, this is a beautiful year for you, Taurus. Absolutely. You are dealing with a very, very powerful soulmate, twin flame. If not, even if you are single this year, you will be dealing with powerful changes in love, in self love. I also feel some of you could be questioning the things about patriarchy, long distance connections, religion, culture, maybe same sex relationships for some of you. So, the modern versus the traditional are a theme for you this year, Taurus. Whether to go for traditional, whether to go for something modern, whether to innovate, or whether to stick where you are, step outside of the comfort zone, or just be where you are. But I think this you will have this neat balance in love, Taurus. You will have this neat balance where a very deep connection is coming, and it is very rooted as well as very beautiful. So this is important. And look at that, Aries, Leo, Sag person will be important for you. There is a lot of excitement in your relationships, in your love life. There is a lot of passion. And I also see a lot of quick relationships are also coming if you are interested in that, a very attractive, a very lustful connection. But it may start as a lustful connection, but it has deep roots. It will go deep. This connection may seem like, something you do just out of fun, but it will end up into a lifelong relationship. If you are already married, there is excitement coming back into your marriage, Taurus. Spice coming back into your life, but you are a powerful magnet of love, Taurus. Absolutely, you are attracting a lot of strong relationships. All your relationships are gaining strength, gaining power. Also, they are becoming stronger, stable, and more exciting. This is beautiful. Let's see how your year will be, Taurus, how their love life will be. Taurus, their love life. Taurus, their love life in the year. Okay. Okay, we got it. So yes, that is what I was thinking. Let's see. All right, you have a lot on your plate when you start the year, Taurus. You're extremely busy. It's a very, very busy time for you, and you have a lot of pressure. I do feel you have a lot of work pressure, or a lot of things are happening for you, and you have a lot of expectations moving in different directions. So, at the start of the year, you may feel a little tied up or frustrated with love or with your relationships. There is a lot of pressure there. But Knight of Pentacles, I do feel that there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person important for you. I also feel that someone will be making an offer to you in the first half of the year. And yes, that is going to balance out this connection in your life. Some sort of a balance is coming for you in your love life. And I do feel when you start the year in January, things are really out of balance. Things may be actually crazy in your work life, in your personal life. You're all over the place. But as the year progresses, you will find balance in your relationships. You will find love. You will find support and security. So that's good, Taurus. Let's see what else. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you also, and Aries, Leo, Sag person will be important for you. Some of you could be actually having some choices in love. Two people may be after you, or you are confused between whether to stay friends or lovers, or to get engaged, to stay lovers or get married. So there is that question. If you are already married, the question is, should you start the family together, or take your vows again. So all those things are happening. The Fool, there is definitely a new start for you in this year, Taurus. You are definitely going to choose some new person, or even with the same person, you are going to have a new start, a new realization in love. Things are changing, things are shifting. There is passion coming in your love life. It's a big amount of clarity. It's not just like, you decide like, okay, we'll do this. No, it's a big clarity. It's a big realization that yes, this is the person I want, and they want me too. It's a big year for you, Taurus. Mid of the year will be a little tough for you, Taurus, because there is Nine of Swords. You will feel a little anxious, or you could be dealing with anxiety, or your partner is dealing with anxiety, depression, some mental health or emotional health issues. Three of Wands. But the more you focus and take actions for your future, the sweeter your love will be in the mid of the year. Five of Wands. Yeah, I do feel there is a chance of friction in the mid of the year. Why? Because you and your partner have different choices. You may feel opposed with each other. You want something else, they want something else. So, there is a friction. Also, third parties will affect your connection in the middle of the year. But, King of Pentacles, you are going to win, Taurus. You are going to win. You are a magnet of love. No matter what comes, you are still going to attract your lover. You are still going to stay in this strong relationship. Eight of Swords. Yes, I do feel mid of the year is a time when you and your partner needs to step outside of the comfort zone. And this is the time when this confusion will become greater. To stay modern, to stay there, to stay traditional, or to be modern, to be innovative, or to stay in the comfort zone. What to do? So those things will affect you in the mid of the year. Let's see how the end of the year will be. Oh my god, Ace of Swords. Some of you could definitely be getting married this year. You could be actually getting, moving in with a partner, or if you were, I'm sorry to say, if you had legal issues, you could be having a victory at the end of this year. Yes, congratulations. Four of Wands. Some of you are getting married. Yes, this is a time of marriage. This is the year of, destiny. Destined marriages, unions, partnerships happening for you. And King of Cups. Yes, the end of the year is exceptionally beautiful for you, Taurus. There is a lot of love in your relationships. There is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person important for you. This is beautiful, Taurus. High chances, if you are single, you could be getting married. Also, if you are married, there is a lot of love and passion coming back into your life. So let us see some advice, then we'll see your charms. What is the advice for what are the things Taurus needs to keep in mind this year in their love life? Release, moving on, and teach. So wow, I do feel that you this is a time you need to release the past burdens, past pain, forgive your past and move on. Yeah, I do feel that this year the more you forgive and forget, it would be a greater year for you in love. Things will become more easy for you. There is a spiritual lesson. All your relationships have a spiritual lesson this year. So, Taurus, remember anything that happens has a spiritual meaning there, a higher purpose for you, and you must find it. This higher purpose. Challenging times. I feel it's not so much about a challenging time in this year for you, Taurus. It is more about identifying what you want in your love life. Do you want patriarchy? Do you want something new? Will you to stay friends, to stay lovers, to stay married, to move on, big decisions? But I feel you will, if you follow, if you see things from a higher purpose spiritually, you will be good. Your dreams are coming true. Yes, Taurus, you are going to achieve your dreams, so worry not. Let's see some advice for our beautiful Taurus. And it's so cold that my nail paint has not even dried yet now. I can't help it, but yeah. Raise your vibrations. This is a year when the more positive you feel, Taurus, the better your year will be. This is going to be a great year. So stay positive and do not get affected by negative thoughts, negative patterns. Stay positive and trust that there is a sacred plan. There is a sacred plan. Those who have left you, they are coming back. There is a destined plan in your love life. Let's see now your charms. I have the 12 months here. And the houses of astrology are also here. So let's see in which areas this charms will fall. So Taurus. Okay, there is a number that fell outside. We're gonna keep it, number 20. We're gonna keep it here. So you have a lot of things happening for you, Taurus. Busy months actually this year. Let's see. So in the month of January, somebody named with A and T, Tia or somebody named that, with the initials T and A is important for you. In the month of February, a soulmate is coming, yes, and it could be a past lover coming back, an ex or a new person, a friend falling in love with you. In the month of March, there is S and P, important initials for you. There is also the Wheel of Fortune, so a new destiny, a new destined relationship, lucky relationships, forward progress in your relationships. Two of Wands, yes, balanced relationships are coming for you. A balanced person is coming. In the month of May, there is Butterfly, so changes are coming for you. In the month of June. In the month of June, there is King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person important. A new romance is coming, Ace of Cups. So a new proposal, a new romance is coming for you in the month of June. And Elephant, yes, it's a caring and happy relationship. And patience, keep your patience. This is going to go places. And in July, yes, Teacups, friendship, dates, romantic times. Somebody named with an N is important. Iron, yes, you are getting, life getting back on track. The ship, long distance connection, the boot. You may meet this person while traveling. You may also, go on a holiday with this person, travel together, or this person and you might be in the same, work area. In August, sorry, you have the apple. So you are the apple of somebody's eye. Letter E is important. and Saturn. So this is August is a very karmic month for you, Taurus. You need to be careful in this month because whatever you give love, if you give love, love comes back. October is also important because there is J, so somebody named J is important in October. And that's it for now, Taurus. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.